want to tell you about two tools I recently discovered that are like game changers for me for building props. This is a center punch and this is a pin vise. So the pin vise is basically a handheld uh, like drill, and they have sizes from 0.8 to 2.5, and you can use these for starting it with metals or plastic. But the thing with the plastic is, you know, let's say you're trying to get a hole in a plastic and it just, you know, you try to start and it just slips. Well, what this pin vise does is you put this in here, then and you could put it in there and start. Here, I'll go like that so you can see it. And you could do precise where you want it to go, and it just digs right into it. And now you could go all the way, you know, and it will go all the way. Or you could start the hole to do like, well, there you go, it goes all the way. Or you can at least start it for precision, and then, you know, you got the hole going, and then you could do your drill, you know, to make it easier. Now, the center punch is good because what it does is when you have metals and you need to make a new hole, say you need to make a hole right here, what you do is, like, if you're going to have your drill and you're trying to get in there, just kind of makes a line and moves. But a hole punch or center punch, you grab it, you push down, hear that click. I just do it 2 times, and it makes a little dent. When that dent is just enough to get your drill on it, and it'll start drilling in one place. And that's what it is right there, a little hole punch. So right there. So these two are amazing tools to use. Now, the advise getting some.